everyone, my name is Lorgine House and welcome to the House of House Kitchen. Today we're going to do mukbang together with my neighbors and my lovely special guests to try all this wonderful food from Aguila and Pogs. Woohoo! This one, so we're so excited and I'll see you shortly. And now I'm going to call my very special guest, my hairstylist, my lucky charm, and my friend, Aguila! Yeah, unsa man itong mga kinabuhi karon?
We're going to eat this all.
Ay!
Dami-dami.
Lumobo na siya. Cheers! Cheers! And to help me cook today, of course, my favorite, my next door neighbor, nandito siya, Lynn Red!
Sabi naman.
Ayan.
Ano naman talaga siya?
Where's my camera?
Ako na talaga ano. It's over there on the counter.
Ganda naman ito. Right.
Saya-saya.
Super. You know how to cook? No.
Ayan.
Cheers. Oh, is this a photo? No. It's a video! Bakit na-posing kayo?
It's like creamy.
Let's start with this one first. And I know, we already tried this before. Sarap na? From the Korean place. Let's try this one. Embutido! Sarbayat, ang sarap! Sarap siya.
Sarap.
Sarbayat Raimundo.
Sir Boyet, ang sarap.
Okay, let's do it. Dig in. Mama Hershey sausages.
Yeah, sarap. Oh my God. Mr. Hat. Cheers, cheers.
Sarap. Sarap.
Mm.
No?
Everything's good. So juicy. Makatas.
Lahat masarap actually.
Hindi siya yung ano yan, dry.
Yan, ano. Try the vegan longganisa.
Where's the bigger one?
This one.
This is Mama Hershey.
Mama Hershey. Jenny, vegan longganisa.
Sarap.
It's good. Lahat naman masarap eh. Diba kaya?
Araw-araw mukbang.
Good.
Sarap.
Next, we're gonna try the lumpia.
Wait lang until I...
Di pa siya tapos.
One more
Oh,
from
sige.
Mama Hershey.
Kasi na-inlove ka.
Para manamdaman mo yung sarap ng sarap.
Masarap talaga, no? Wala mang hindi masarap. No?
This was good. Hi, Mama Hershey. This for you.
Masarap yung vegan longganisa, no? It's just garlic cake. As long as you don't kiss, or if your partner already had garlic, it's fine.
This was good. Hi, Lumpia.
Pogs
From
again.
Lumpia.
kita.
Sarap.
Okay, dokie. Let's try. Yung crunch.
Me too.
Ano yun yung mic ko? Wala ako. Masarap din. It's good. Wala na tayong ganyan ako hindi kumain. Sa vegan longganisa, guys, you have to prick it para hindi siya mabasag. Is that right? Mabasag is the term? Mabasag ba?
Oh, what next?
Turon!
Turon from...
This is the Turon, the last
From
dessert.
Pogs. Oh, dessert. Ayan. Paborito ni Jenny.
Me first, para hindi double dipping. Ha? Okay.
Wala kay Kuya Randy.
Okay, you can have it. This one.
Kalay, kalay. Kasi
Para hindi
nag-bite
double
ako.
dip.
Oh my God.
Cheers! Ganun lang. There. Sabay-sabay ah. 1, 2, 3, go. Wala na. Pack up na.
May turn over my sweet chili paste. Okay.
Masarap din.
No.
The chili paste is also good.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet, savory, and spicy.
I know. Akala, try it.
Mm.
Oh my God.
Ang sarap ng turon. Hala! So guys, ano yung pinaka-favorite ninyo?
Lahat!
Lahat! Lahat daw.
Lahat.
Lahat masarap.
Lahat masarap.
Thank you, Mama Hershey. Thank you, Sir Boyet.
Thank you, Ma'am Hershey and Sir Boyet. Grabe.
Ang sarap.
We
Super
cannot get
sarap.
over of this.
Thank you very much for watching and see you
Hi.
sa next vlog ko. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so if we have new videos coming up, then you will get notified.
Yeah,
Bye! Cheers! Cheers! Bye guys! Bye! Bye! Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.